Hello, this is Kavita and you all are watching my channel Chirag and Kavita's World. Today I am going to give you some information related to the past tense and it's all four categories. So let's move towards our topic. See, different sentences I write down on the board. These are related to the four categories. First sentence related to the simple past tense. Second sentence related to the past continuous tense. Third sentence related to the past perfect tense. And fourth one is related to the past perfect continuous tense. Now let's see she plucked the flowers. She is subject, then plucked is V2 and remaining sentence is the object. Now what is the formula of simple past tense? Subject plus V2 plus object. This is the formula related to the simple past tense. This is simple past tense. This sentence is related to the simple past tense. Now let's see. They were doing her work. This sentence is related to the past continuous tense. How we will identify? We identify with the help of formula, and formula of past continuous tense is subject plus was or were plus VING plus object. This is the formula of past continuous tense. Subject plus was where plus VING plus object. This sentence is related to the past perfect tense, and formula of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. S stands for subject and O stands for object. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. This is the formula of past perfect tense. Now let's move towards our fourth category related to the past tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. And what is the formula of past perfect continuous tense? Formula is subject plus had plus been plus VING plus object. This is the formula related to the past perfect continuous tense. Now let's see again. Simple past formula is subject plus V2 plus object. Then past continuous tense formula is subject plus was or were plus VING, means we should apply ing form to the main verb, then object plus object. This is the formula of past continuous tense. Then subject plus had plus V3 plus object. This formula is related to the past perfect tense. Then see, subject plus had been plus VING plus object. This formula is related to the past perfect continuous tense. Now I hope you all are understand formulas and some sentences related to the simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Now let's see again. Now we will see some sentences related to the simple past tense. Simple past tense. Sentences are she plucked the flowers. She plucked the flowers, or they started a new business. They started a new business. Here you can find she is a subject, plucked is a V2 and remaining part is a object. Then there is a subject, Started is a V2 and remaining part is a object. Now this sentence is related to the simple past tense and formula of past tense is simple past is subject plus V2 plus object. This is the formula of simple past tense. Now let's see some sentences related to the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. She was playing in garden. She was playing in garden. Then they were taking taking tea. Now subject, she is a subject, was is a helping verb, then playing is a VING means applying ing form to the main verb. Then remaining part is a object. Here also there is a subject where is a helping verb, taking is a main verb and remaining part is a object. In this way formula of past continuous tense is subject plus was or were plus VING plus object. Now the question is that where we can write down was and where we should write down where. Where we find singular pronoun, noun or subject, there we should write down was. And if we find in sentence there is a plural form of the subject, there we should write down where after that subject. Understood? For singular was and for plural we should write down where in the past tense. Now see some sentences related to the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. She plucked the flowers. She plucked the flowers. Sorry, she had. She had plucked the flowers. Then they had opened the door. They had opened the door. Here you can find formula subject plus had plus V3 plus object. This is the formula related to the past perfect tense. Now let's see some sentences related to the past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous tense. Now let's see some sentences. He had been plucking flowers. He had been plucking flowers. Then second one is we had been watching movie. We had been watching movie. Then formula related to the past perfect continuous tense is past perfect continuous tense formula is subject plus had plus been plus VING plus object. This is the formula of past perfect continuous tense. You can find here subject had plus been, then VING, and remaining part is a object. Here also you can find subject, had, been plus VING plus object. In this way, I hope you all are understand the concept of past past tense and also understand each part related to the past tense. There are four tense related to the past tense. First is simple past, past continuous, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. We saw some rules related to it. Simple past, subject plus V2 plus object or subject plus V2. Then past continuous, subject plus helping verb plus ing plus object. Past perfect tense, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Past perfect continuous tense, rule is or formula is subject plus had plus been plus VING plus object. And we see different sentences related to each part, each category. I hope you all are understand, and please, till if you are not subscribe my channel, subscribe it and share my videos more and more to more and more people. Have a good night to all, and we will meet again same on same my channel Chirag and Kavita's till Chirag and Kavita's World. We will meet on my channel Chirag and Kavita's World. Till, thank you to all.